What's up everyone, my name is Aditya and welcome to AGD Tech. Well guys, many people are asking me that should we buy the iPhone 12 or should we go for the iPhone 11, because after a couple of days it is the Amazon Great Indian Festival and in this offer you will get the iPhone 11 below 50,000 rupees and Apple has officially cut the price of the iPhone 11. So from now on you can purchase the iPhone 11 brand new for 54,900 rupees. So it becomes an obvious question that should we buy the iPhone 11, should we go for the iPhone 12 mini or should we buy the iPhone 12? Well guys, honestly speaking, looking from a normal consumer's perspective, the iPhone 11 is a clear winner. Well guys, first of all, if you are talking about the 6.1-inch iPhone 12, then it is available for 80,000 rupees and currently the iPhone 11 is available for 25,000 less. So basically, this is no more a comparison between two iPhone models because the iPhone 11 is a clear value for the money iPhone, whereas the iPhone 12 is kind of overpriced. Well guys, 80,000 rupees for this iPhone might be reasonable, but looking from a normal consumer, the upgrade over the iPhone 11 is way more expensive. Well guys, honestly speaking, the difference between the iPhone 11 and iPhone 12 is pretty much noticeable. Well guys, you're talking about a way more nice modern design. You're talking about features like a new ceramic glass, Apple's A14 chipset, and overall this iPhone will last one more year than the iPhone 11. But the overall conclusion comes is, does this kind of features represent the 25,000 rupees difference? Well guys, with the iPhone 11 you all know what you are getting, but with the iPhone 12 you're just getting a better version. But ask this question for yourself: do you feel that all of these new changes justify the extra 25,000 rupees? And guys, after a couple of days it is going to be the Amazon Great Indian Sale, and in this offer you will get the iPhone 11 below 50,000 rupees. So I want to say a very simple thing: if you are liking the iPhone 12 mini or the iPhone 12, then you can definitely go for them. But overall, if you are very strict to your budget, or if you are kind of comfortable paying the 50,000 rupees or 55,000 rupees for the iPhone 11, then you can definitely go for it. And guys, honestly speaking, all of the price tags of the iPhone 12 is simply too much. Well guys, especially the iPhone 12 Pro starts at 1,20,000 rupees. So obviously the price tag this year is literally too much. But one thing is for sure, that is the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 12 are going to be very popular. Well, now let me come to my overall conclusion. Well guys, I want to say a very simple thing, that if you will compare from a tech reviewer's perspective, then the iPhone 12 is better in every way. But if you look in terms of the Indian price tag, then you are talking about 25 to 30,000 rupees of difference, and that is the reason why I will recommend you the iPhone 11. Of course, if you are interested in the iPhone 12, then you're most welcome, but the iPhone 11 is the best value for the money iPhone. And guys, at the end of today's video, I want to make an announcement, and that is I am giving away one brand new pair of the AirPods Pro replica. Well guys, these are my personal ones, but I am going to be giving away one brand new pair. Well guys, if you want to win the brand new pair of the AirPods replica, then you have to follow few simple steps. The first step is you have to be a subscriber of this channel. The second step is to follow me on Instagram, because exactly 1 week later I will announce the winner on my Instagram page. And also go ahead and follow the Shopping Hub website or the Shopping Hub Instagram handle, because of them this particular giveaway was possible. And if you are interested in buying the AirPods Pro replica, then definitely check out their store. Well guys, I have given their Instagram and their WhatsApp link in the description in case you are interested. So guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.